Tired of spending hours painting with a brush or roller? An electric paint sprayer makes painting faster and gives smooth, even coats on walls, furniture, or any surface. It's the perfect tool for saving time and achieving a professional finish. If you are looking for the best electric paint sprayer available in the market, then here are the top 5 excellent options that we found. Be sure to check out the description below. The 5th product on this list is the Tilswall paint sprayer. The Tilswall electric paint sprayer is a versatile and high-powered tool, ideal for achieving smooth and precise painting results. Powered by 800 watts, this sprayer ensures excellent atomization and accuracy, making it perfect for a range of painting projects like ceilings, fences, cabinets, walls, wood, and crafts. Its 1300 milliliters detachable container allows for extended use without frequent refills, improving efficiency and convenience. Whether you're a professional painter or a DIY enthusiast, the Tilswall paint sprayer is built to meet your needs. The ergonomic split design of the Tilswall sprayer sets it apart, as it separates the motor from the spray handle. This design minimizes hand fatigue, providing more flexibility during prolonged use. The 8.2 feet hose and 9.8 feet cable further enhance mobility, eliminating the limitations of short cords and allowing you to work comfortably in larger spaces. One of its standout features is the variety of spray patterns and nozzle sizes. With 3 nozzle options, 1.0 mm, 1.8 mm, and 2.6 mm, and 3 spray patterns, vertical, horizontal, and circular. This sprayer can handle everything from thin paints like sealers to thicker paints like latex and chalk. Cleaning is also straightforward thanks to the detachable design and included cleaning tools. The motor's power can be slightly noisy during extended use, and the sprayer may require a learning curve for beginners to master the spray adjustments effectively. The 4th product on this list is the MaXpray M1. The MaXpray M1 is a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts looking to elevate their painting projects. Designed for both beginners and professionals, it offers speed and precision, making it an excellent alternative to traditional brushes and rollers. Capable of handling up to 10-gallon projects, this sprayer is versatile enough to tackle both interior and exterior tasks, from furniture and walls to decks, fences, and even garages. Setting up the MaXpray M1 is incredibly straightforward, thanks to beginner-friendly guides and a plethora of online tutorials. Its standout 360-degree swivel joint ensures unmatched maneuverability, while the flush ease valve simplifies cleaning, reducing post-project cleanup time to just 10 minutes. The innovative Atomax airless spray tip delivers smooth, even coats without the need for pre-thinning, minimizing overspray to save paint and costs. Its robust motor ensures consistent and professional quality results every time. The MaXpray M1 also prioritizes user comfort and safety. Accessories like the 12-inch tip extension help you reach high areas with ease, while anti-fog goggles protect your eyes. Cleaning is a breeze with the included kit, and the wrench set ensures a secure, leak-free experience. While highly effective, it may feel heavier during extended use, especially for beginners. Additionally, the sprayer's high-powered motor can be slightly noisy, which could be bothersome in quiet settings. Still haven't found the best electric paint sprayer for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the PHALANX RP 8620. The PHALANX RP 8620 is a standout tool designed to simplify and speed up your painting projects. Powered by a 780 watts motor, it delivers an impressive 1.1 liters per minute paint flow, making it 5 times faster than traditional rollers. With this sprayer, you can achieve a smoother and more refined finish in less time. Perfect for house painting or tackling DIY projects. Equipped with high-efficiency airless HEA technology, the PHALANX RP 8620 minimizes overspray by up to 55%, ensuring less paint wastage and a more even application. This feature enhances control and provides a consistent finish, whether you're working with water-based or oil-based paints. The lightweight, compact design allows it to spray directly from own or 5-gallon containers, and the adjustable flow knob gives precise control over output. With its 3,600 psi pressure and 25-foot flexible hose, large-scale painting tasks are made easier without frequent interruptions. The sprayer is ETL certified, underscoring its reliability and safety. It's versatile enough to handle both small touch-ups and large-scale projects, with a recommended annual use of up to 125 gallons. Whether you're refreshing a room or painting an entire house, the PHALANX proves to be an essential tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Despite its many advantages, the sprayer requires careful maintenance, particularly with the inlet check ball, which may occasionally need manual adjustment. It's also best suited for experienced users, as beginners may find the high-pressure system challenging to control. The second product on this list is the Wagner Spraytech Earlex 5700. The Wagner Spraytech Earlex 5700 is a versatile electric paint sprayer tailored for woodworking enthusiasts who value precision and ease of use. Its stationary design and professional-grade metal spray gun make it an excellent tool for achieving smooth, ultra-fine finishes on furniture, antiques, and heirlooms. Equipped with a 1.5mm stainless steel tip and needle, this sprayer ensures a polished result on a wide variety of surfaces. One standout feature is its 2.2 psi turbine motor, which provides ample power to handle a range of materials, including urethanes, stains, enamels, and even thinned latex. The adjustable flow control dial allows for precise material output, while the 3 spray pattern options, round, horizontal, and vertical, offer added flexibility. With a 15 feet hose, users can move around freely while maintaining optimal control. The Wagner Spraytech Earlex 5700 also prioritizes convenience. Its 1-quart PTFE-coated paint container is designed for quick color changes and easy cleaning, reducing mess and paint waste. Onboard storage for the spray gun and hose ensures that everything stays organized when not in use. However, the product has some drawbacks. Its stationary design, while offering stability, might limit portability for larger projects. Additionally, the 2.2 psi motor may not provide enough power for heavy-duty industrial tasks. Before we reveal the best electric paint sprayer on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, our best electric paint sprayer is the Graco Magnum X5. The Graco Magnum X5 is perfect for DIY homeowners and remodelers looking to take on larger painting projects with ease. Its powerful design ensures smooth and even paint application, saving time and effort compared to traditional methods like brushes and rollers. With the ability to handle up to 10 gallons of paint per project, this sprayer is ideal for those tackling multiple jobs throughout the year. One of its standout features is the fully adjustable pressure control, which allows users to spray unthinned paints or stains with precision. This means you can customize the spray settings to suit different surfaces and finishes, whether you're working on walls, fences, or furniture. The flexible suction tube adds further convenience, enabling you to draw paint directly from own or 5-gallon buckets, eliminating the hassle of frequent refills. Additionally, its compatibility with up to 75 feet of paint hose makes it easy to reach high areas like second-story walls or ceilings without losing performance. While the Graco Magnum X5 has many strengths, it does have a few unique drawbacks. For beginners, the setup and cleaning process might feel a bit complex and time-consuming. It can also overspray if not handled carefully, so practicing control is crucial for achieving professional results. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out these 2 that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.